If you're renting a house in South Korea, you have a better opportunity to receive a tax refund. Want to know how to make it happen? What is monthly rent refund? A monthly rent refund, officially known as a monthly rent tax credit, is a program designed for workers who pay monthly rent. It allows them to claim back 15 to 17% of their annual rent payments when they file their year-end tax settlement and comprehensive income tax return. Who qualifies for a refund, and what is the potential refund amount? To qualify for a monthly rent refund, you need to satisfy four major conditions. 1. Income limit for workers. 2. Status as a homeless householder. 3. Notification of move-in. 4. Property size and market value. Let me explain to you about these conditions. 1. Income limit for workers. Individuals must have a total salary not exceeding 70 million won. Additionally, the combined income, which includes both earned and other forms of income, should not surpass 60 million won. It is important to note that the monthly rent tax deduction is exclusively available to salaried workers with earned income. Thus, individuals who are unemployed, freelancers, or in similar situations are ineligible for this tax benefit. 2. Status as a homeless householder as of December 31st of the year in which the application for the monthly rent deduction is submitted, the applicant must be classified as a homeless household. If the applicant is not the head of the household, it is essential that the head of the household has never claimed a housing deduction. 3. Notification of move-in. The addresses listed on both the lease agreement and the resident registration document must be consistent. It is advisable to report the move-in promptly. 4. Property size and market value. The property in question must either be 85 square meters or have a standard market value of 400 million won or less. This eligibility extends to various types of residences, including houses, apartments, residential offices, one-room apartments, and goshawons. What is the method for calculating rent refunds? The deduction rate for the monthly rent tax credit is determined by income levels. Individuals with an annual income of 55 million won or less can deduct 17% of the total monthly rent paid throughout the year from their tax liability. For individuals whose total annual salary exceeds 55 million won but does not surpass 70 million won, a deduction of 15% of the total monthly rent paid during the year is available. Important reminders. Just so you know, even if your monthly rent adds up to a high amount over the year, you can only deduct up to 7.5 million won. For instance, if you're living in a place with a monthly rent of 1 million won and you end up paying 12 million won for the year, the deduction will still be limited to just 7.5 million won. What documents must you prepare? 1. House contract. The rental agreement for the house should be under your name. 2. Copy of resident registration. For foreigners, copy of certificate of foreign resident registration certificate. 3. Monthly rent transfer details. It is essential to verify that the name of the individual receiving the rent corresponds with the name specified in your contract, and that the payment is processed from your own bank account. You can access it through your mobile banking app, or you can visit your bank in person. Please submit these documents to your employers for them to be part of your year-end settlement. If you missed the March 10th deadline to apply for the monthly rent tax credit, you can directly ask for a correction in National Tax Office. Thank you very much. See you on my next video.